experiencing no sound, balance problems, or amp issues with your Tesla Model 3 door speakers? Let's quickly diagnose the problem. First, check the basics: volume levels and Bluetooth pairing. Navigate to Controls, Service, Software on your touchscreen to look for error codes. A simple amp restart via the touchscreen or Tesla app might also resolve temporary glitches. These preliminary checks can often identify and fix simple software-related problems before diving deeper. Uneven volume between left and right speakers indicates balance problems. This can stem from calibration errors or hardware mismatches. Tesla's active noise cancellation system can exacerbate imbalances if its sensors fail. Tesla has released software updates that recalibrate the audio system to address these issues. If software fixes don't work, hardware checks are necessary to identify any faulty components contributing to the imbalance. Consider a visit to a Tesla service center for a diagnostic scan to pinpoint hardware-related causes. Tesla frequently uses over-the-air software updates to resolve audio issues in the Model 3. These updates are delivered wirelessly to your vehicle, fixing problems remotely. A major update, version 2025.52, addressed audio balance and amplifier problems in vehicles from 2018 to 2023, fixing intermittent no-sound issues and reducing crackling. Always ensure your Model 3 is running the latest software. Check for updates in the software section of your car's settings. These updates are often the first line of defense against common audio problems. If software solutions fail, hardware servicing may be necessary. Moisture ingress or wiring faults, particularly in high-mileage vehicles, can cause speaker damage. Tesla service centers use diagnostic scans to identify faulty door speaker assemblies, which are then replaced. Tesla has extended warranties on audio components to 8 years or 150,000 miles for certain models. Prompt service is crucial to address moisture damage and prevent further issues. Always prefer official service, as DIY repairs can void warranties. While community-driven troubleshooting is prevalent, Tesla strongly recommends professional diagnostics and repairs. DIY attempts, especially involving the amp, can worsen issues and void warranties. For complex problems like moisture damage or amp failures, a Tesla service center is the safest bet. However, simple fixes like Bluetooth resets or software updates can be performed at home. Carefully weigh the risks and benefits before attempting any DIY repair. Prevent speaker issues by maintaining door seals to prevent moisture ingress that can corrode electrical connections and damage speaker components. Avoid excessive volume levels, which can strain the speakers and amplifier, potentially causing premature wear on the audio components. Consider aftermarket waterproofing solutions for the speaker units, especially if you live in a rainy climate, to provide additional protection against moisture. Regularly check for software updates and install them promptly, as Tesla's OTA updates often include audio system improvements and bug fixes. These preventive measures can extend the lifespan of your Tesla Model 3 door speakers and minimize the need for repairs, keeping your audio system performing optimally. The future of Tesla audio repair lies in software-driven solutions and AI-enhanced diagnostics. Tesla aims to resolve 90% of audio issues via software by 2028. Upcoming Model 3 refreshes, expected 2027, may feature AI that preemptively detects speaker faults. Electric vehicle audio trends, like improved bass response, are influencing Tesla's designs. Keep an eye out for future software updates and hardware improvements that promise more reliable and self-healing audio systems.